Hello and welcome to Crypto Market by Alex Wiggins. This is an application that is designed to get the latest exchange rates and the stock values of the top 5 cryptocurrencies being used worldwide. This is the home page. From the home page, we can navigate from here to the crypto coin list using the button at the bottom of the content page or from the navigation in the bottom left. So if we click this, we see a loading animation. This is done by NGX Spinner. Now here we can see we have the latest top 5 currencies being displayed from Alpha Vantage API. If we click one of these, say Dash, it will then bring us to the next page, which will be the coin kit page. From here we can see the name of the cryptocurrency is Dash, the code is also Dash, then we have here our chart displaying the highs and the lows for the past 7 days of that cryptocurrency. This is done through Chart.js through a responsiveness that we can hover over each point and it will tell us the exact value of the high and low for that day. If we were to click on the top bit here where it says low, we can see that it gets rid of the low so we can only see the high value and vice versa. If we scroll down, we get to see the current market cap, the volume price and the opening price along with the closing price. These are all up to date and coming from real time through the crypto API that is Alpha Vantage. From here we can either go back to the navigation button by clicking the logo at the top, and now we're back at the home page and we can go back to the list coins through the navigation in the very bottom. If we were to go to from here, we can go again back to the home and we can see that we can change the language from English into French and back again. If we were to go back to the crypto page, we have a back button in the top left that allows us for easy navigation so the user can't get lost. Again, now we can go to the location. Now this is the location, and this is done through Google API and Angular Google Maps that uses geolocation of the user to get to find the closest banks in their facility. If we can go to find my location, it will automatically display the longitude and the latitude of this location, and we can go to view nearest banks. And this will bring us to the banks page where we can see our closest bank is actually in the DKIT Student Village. We can zoom in. It works exactly like Google Maps do. If the user isn't sure of the area, they can drop themselves in to get a street view of that location, and it should help us find the API key on the map itself. Scroll around. As you can see, clear other view of the application. Again, we can go back, and the user does not wish to use their GPS coordinates. We have a drop-down menu here with 4 of the most popular towns in the area, so we can go to the likes of Cavan. We can see the longitude and latitude represented again. From here we can go in, and it should bring us to Cavan. Again, we can view in again. And we can see that we have TSB and Banks of Ireland and Ulster Bank. So here we have the banks component and how it looks on the mobile. Now this is done on a mobile iPhone 6, 7 and 8. So again, we can see from where we left off in the desktop version, here's the map of Cavan displaying the banks of that area. So we'll go back to the home page now. Here on the home page, you can see the general layout. Again, we can see that we can transfer to French and back again to English. From here, we can go again to the cryptocurrencies and the list of them. So we can see that the content strolls between a fixed header and a fixed footer. If we were to pick one of them, so we'll pick the most popular one, Bitcoin. Definitely the most popular Bitcoin at the minute. You can see again, this is how it would look like on mobile with the name Bitcoin and the code of that coin for the stock. Again, we can see the high and low of each coin, and we can click on the points to display the high and low. Again, we can take one out if we want, and it has some navigation to it. And we can see that they're all lined up to the left and the right for the volume opening and closing, with the current cap sitting in the middle again. From here we can go back. We can go back to the coin list by clicking on the navigation at the bottom. We can see that now this icon down here has changed to indicate that we are on this page. And then from here we can go to the location. Here where you can see what it looks like then on a mobile phone. We've already seen it on desktop. So again, we'll do the find my location. You can see the latitude and longitude auto fills in. We can view said bank on the bank's component. We are at the DKI Institute. We can zoom in again, zoom out again. We can see the other banks in town in case that one isn't closed. We use it to do that. Again, with the little drop down man if they get confused or are unsure of the area. So we'll go back to the location. Again, we'll pick a different area this time. We will pick Drogheda. Again, auto fills. Now we can view that one on the map. We can zoom in again if they're unsure of the area. We kept it to a wide out view in case they're not in a rural area. So like if they are in a rural area, we don't want it auto zooming in, so we thought zooming out would probably be the best. Again, the back button works. We have the loading animation here. And we can go back to the home page. And that's how it will look like on desktop and mobile of the Crypto app. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this.